The only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. Identify your problems, but give your power and energy to solutions. Success is doing what you want, when you want, where you want, with whom you want, as much as you want. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives. It's what we do consistently. The quality of your life is the quality of your relationships. The secret of success is learning how to use pain and pleasure instead of having pain and pleasure use you. It's not about the goal. It's about growing to become the person that can accomplish that goal. Beliefs have the power to create and the power to destroy. Human beings have the awesome ability to take any experience of their lives and create a meaning that disempowers them or one that can literally save their lives. The path to success is to take massive, determined action.